So, in this video, this is my final assessment in financial and technology subject. Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Fahri Ramadhani, and in this video, I will talk about these two videos. It's about SWIFT system that we use right now, and how is bank will works in 2030, the invisible banking system. Well, we start from what is it? Okay, so SWIFT system is just a messaging between a bank and they're not sending money, but actually they're just sending an instruction. For example, bank A, I want to transfer from the bank A to bank B. They not actually transfer the money, but they are actually transferring the system, the message to banks B. Okay, and well, in 2030, this invisible banking, technically it's the money is digitalized into the application, and the cash is dead. Okay, the cash is dead, and well, SWIFT system is run by a traditional banks, but in prediction, this invisible bank in 2030 run by a big technologies like Google, Apple, and super apps, and don't forget the government. Well, about where is it happen? Right now, SWIFT system actually runs by banks in each branch of them, but 2030 invisible banking, the transaction will be happening everywhere, every time, and maybe in your smartphone or maybe your wearables, like maybe your smartwatch. And when is it gonna happen? Well, actually SWIFT system is actually happening right now, and for this invisible banking system we are talking will be happen predicted in 2030, but yeah, it's really shifting really fast. And why this is happening? Because yeah, SWIFT system is actually reliable but really slow and has a high fees, especially if there is a middleman banks. And for 2030, well, this invisible banking really help us with the speed and efficiency, no friction. And how this is work? Well, SWIFT system is works using a codes and intermediary banks. And for 2030, this invisible banking works using a digital currencies and integrated ecosystem. Well, this is my opinion. SWIFT system is actually outdated. It's really slow, but this invisible banking are also risky because, well, our money, our privacy, our data will be on big technology apps. Well, our privacy is really not a thing anymore in 2030. But yeah, for the faster way to do a transaction, why not we give it a try? But we need to be careful. Well, I think that's all. It's already nearby 4 minutes. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.